You have got to be kidding me. You still ignoring this? Forbes magazine predicted that in 2027, digital marketing will be a multi-trillion-dollar industry. But nah, you don't want to hear that. I mean, Forbes magazine. Who cares about Forbes magazine, right? Who cares about the Fortune 500 companies that have been using digital marketing principles? Don't care about the literal hundreds of thousands of people who are in the digital marketing industry that I could just work out the issue all by myself and master digital marketing without a mentor, without a process, and without a plan to achieve that. And you really think that you're gonna sit here for the next 6 months and get all kinds of free content just to be able to get the knowledge you need to make the income you already know you deserve? You still think I'm talking about you? That was me. Back in 2020, I was bullheaded, just like that. I was the guy that went out there and said, nah, I'm not gonna invest in that course. Nah, I'm not gonna invest in that program. Nah, I'm not gonna take that person's advice. I was that guy. Maybe they're holding something back. There's something they're not telling me. I was right there, uncertain, frustrated, and tired of not having consistent income. And then I came to the end of myself in 2023, and I was like, you know what? What I have been doing is not working. So now that I know that it's not working, I've accepted that because my bank account literally said that it is not working, right? And the people's whose lives are changing, it's working for them. I need to just humble myself, trust the process, invest in a proven process, and actually get a mentor. The minute I did, I literally 10x my income. Like, how is this a brand new thing in my mind? And I have literally grown my following on this platform and others, and literally been able to give back to people and give myself more time and more income with my family. If you want to stop being bullheaded just like me, type ready in the comments and let's make 2024 the best year you've ever had in business. Let's go.